Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will discuss the basic overview and layout of the Grandstream GRP 2624 IP telephone. First, let's quickly review how an IP phone works. The Grandstream 2624 telephone is an IP or Internet Protocol device. It uses a standard computer patch cable to plug into an RJ45 computer jack. This connects the phone to the LAN, or local area network, which is connected to the Internet, or what is commonly called the cloud. Next, let's discuss some of the key details of the 2624 telephone. The phone comes equipped with a 2.8-inch, color, LCD screen. There are 8 dual color line keys, which can be programmed on additional screens, to allow up to 24 multi-purpose keys. The handset and the speaker use HD quality audio, and there is a dual microphone located on the bottom edge of the phone. The Grandstream 2624 IP telephone supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The front side of the phone contains an array of buttons and keys that have specific functions. This module will briefly mention each of these buttons. However, a more thorough description of the use and function of these keys is covered in separate training modules. The very upper right corner of the phone contains a message waiting indicator. This indicator will flash with a green light when there is a new message in the voicemail box, or when there is an incoming call. On each side of the color display, there are 4 buttons called line keys. These keys will be programmed with a specific feature, function, or auto dial key. Directly under the display is a set of 4 buttons called soft keys. These are used to perform various commands that will be shown in the display directly above the soft key. In the center of the phone, there are 5 pre-programmed keys that each perform a specific function. They are, from left to right, the message key, the hold key, the transfer key, the headset key, and the mute key. In the center, right side of the phone, there is a set of round buttons that contain 5 keys. The middle button is round and has a black circle in the center. This is the menu, or OK key. There are 4 buttons surrounding the OK key. These are the navigation keys. Each one has an arrow that points in a specific direction: up, right, down, and left. They are used to navigate on the screen in the direction that the arrow points. Below the navigation keys is the volume key. The volume key controls the volume of the handset, the speaker, the ringer, and the headset, independently from one another. Just below the volume button, there are 2 other buttons: the send key and the speaker key. In the left center of the phone is the standard keypad. The keypad is used for dialing phone numbers or entering alphanumeric characters in the phone. Finally, let's look at some important features that are located on the back of the 2624. In the top center of the phone, there are 2 sets of 3 slots. These are used to position the phone stand. The phone stand can be inserted into the top 2 rows of slots on each side, for a lower position on the desk, or the lower 2 rows of slots, for a higher position on the desk. Just below the phone stand slots on the right side, there is a headset port. This is used to plug in a wired headset. Below the headset port is the handset port. This is where the handset is plugged in. To the left of the handset port is a small round port. This is used to plug in the 12-volt power supply that is used if the phone needs its own power for Wi-Fi operation. To the left of the power supply port is the network LAN port. This is where the patch cable plugs into the network wall jack in order for the phone to receive its connection. Next to the LAN port is the PC port. This is where another patch cable plugs into the computer so that it can also communicate with the network. To the left of the PC port is a USB port. This is for use with a USB headset. On the very bottom of the phone, there are 2 more slots. These are used for a wall bracket if the phone needs to be mounted on the wall. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications, and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALLMODE. That's 877-255-6633. Make sure to like this video, and hit the subscribe button in order to see our latest training videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.